કોરોનાના કારણે દરેક ધંધા વ્યવસાયને માઠી અસરો પહોંચી છે, ત્યારે ખાસ સૌથી માઠી અસરો ટ્રાવેલ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીને પડી છે. હાલમાં ટુરિઝમનો વિકાસ થાય, ફરીથી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી ધબકતું થાય તે માટે દર વર્ષની જેમ આ વર્ષે પણ TTF એક્સપોનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવ્યું છે, જેમાં 130થી વધારે સ્ટોલ ગુજરાત યુનિવર્સિટીના એક્ઝિબિશન હોલમાં હાલ રાખવામાં આવ્યા છે. ખાસ હાલમાં તેઓના જણાવ્યા મુજબ લોકોમાં ખૂબ જ સારી અવેરનેસ છે. આયોજનમાં બોડી સંખ્યામાં ટ્રાવેલ્સ એજન્ટે લાભ લીધો હતો.
Ajit Nair. I represent the Zuri Hotels and Resorts. I head the sales and marketing for the Zuri White Sands Resorts and Casino in Goa. And TTF, this show, never expected that after 10 months, one of the first trade shows which is happening, tremendous response. I could see like a lot of footfalls which is coming in from Ahmedabad and nearby cities, Surat, Baroda, Rajkot. So it's going, it's a successful show altogether. And we are here to represent our hotels, which is based out of Goa, which is in south of Goa. It's a property which is spread across in 40 acres of land, right with a private beach access. And as far as Goa is concerned, post-pandemic, we talk about like which we had opened the hotel from 1st of November. It started off with the leisure market. That means like the families which started coming in. Gujarat always been a primary market for Goa as a destination. Along with that, cities of Maharashtra. The only difference what we have seen is prior to the pandemic, we used to have a lot of people who used to fly down. Now the new trend is people started driving down. The reason is they have more time, work from home option is on. So it started off with families. Now the groups are slowly coming back to Goa. Wedding markets are getting active. We started getting a lot of incentives which is coming in. So business is back as usual, and it's almost like revenues are also moving back to normal. As far as Kerala is concerned, after a limping phase of pandemic slowing down, now the market is picking up. Kumarakom started having traction, but it is not the same level as what we achieved in Goa, because Kerala is still an itinerary-based destination. But we started seeing that the occupancy level started climbing up to 40%. So we are optimistic in the coming months. Gujarat as a primary market will have good movement which is coming for Kerala as a destination. Coming to Bangalore, as it is a city hotel, things are yet to come back in Bangalore, because the hotel is surrounded by mainly the IT firms, and the work from home is what is running in Bangalore. We are optimistic another 2 months will bring back Bangalore also into track. As far as the tourism department support is concerned, Goa, it's tremendous in the sense like at least there is no unnecessary guidelines in place. Every hotel as a responsible trade partner are taking utmost care in terms of to make sure that there is social distancing. The clients are following the protocol. With following all those, and the department is also taking a lot of initiatives to support the hoteliers there. So it's a joint venture which is happening in a successful manner, and the same goes with other destination. Never expected, but as a hotelier today I'm much more confident how the market is start behaving, and I'm so sure with the outbound markets where the traction is going out of the country, we started seeing our beautiful country within. So I think like this continues with now the skies are looking to open up from July. As of now it is May. I think like by mid of June, July it's going to open up. We are going to have, according to me, we are going to face across one of the best season to come. That means the inbound market also will shape up. A lot of people like which we are seeing a lot of revenge travel, which so-called per se, sitting at home for 10 months, getting frustrated. They wanted to just get away to avoid the mental block. So these are the destinations. As we talk about my hotel, the hotel itself is a lot of social distancing. We got a pool which is the largest in Goa, 5,400 square foot of private spacing is what my hotel offers. So coming to the hotel itself provides a lot of social distancing if you compare within your home. And look forward for a wonderful season for the destination and all of us. And thank you. And I'm seeing a lot of initiative and a lot of support which is coming from all the ancillary trade departments. And thankful, and we look forward for a successful season to come. Message to the people is travel responsibly, don't panic, which we are seeing that now we are talking about vaccinations in place. And if you take our responsibility, or if you travel responsibility and holiday responsibility, I think like the life is normal and it has to move on. Thank you.